How to create Google form in Share Link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can create Google form and share a link. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Chrome browser, head to a search bar and there type in Google form. Press enter in your keyboard. Now head towards the first link in the search results. Once you land on this page and if you're already logged in, head towards the blank form and click on it. Now you can create your form. So in order to create form, first of all you have to add title to your form and then add description. Under that you have to add your question. Now you can add options or the answers to your questions. Once you're done creating your form, head towards this interface at the top right. There is this share icon, you have to click on it. And from here, you can add people, groups and calendar events. Here, there is general access and here you can customize your audience. You can click on this and from here you can select your preferred choice, that is restrictor or anyone with the link. If you select anyone with the link and anyone with the link in response to your form, then click on done. Now click on publish and then again click on publish. Now in order to share a link, click on this copy responder link. You have to copy this link and once you have copied, now you can share this link in order to share the form. So that's the way to create form in shared link, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.